This is Mr. V. In this video we will expand a bracket involving algebraic terms using the distributive law. So we want to expand the expression 2a expanded into 4 minus 3b. Alright, so as always our starting point will be to distribute the term 2a into the bracket. So we will multiply 2a by 4 and we'll multiply 2a by 3b equals 2a times 4 minus 2a times 3b. 2a times 4 is 8a minus 2 times 3 is 6 and a times b is just a b. So even though we have this term in front, we can multiply it out the same way we have and then multiply the terms. Let's look at another one. We have 3x multiplied by the bracket 2x plus 5. And again, we'll start by by distributing 3x into 2x and 3x into 5. And then we multiply the numbers and then the variables. So 3 times 2 is 6. X times x, well that's x squared because we have two x's. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. And we just have an x left. And we can't simplify it anymore because to simplify it anymore we would need like terms, which we don't have. That's all there is to it. That's how we distribute expressions involving algebraic terms. Fantastic!